Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell. That way you will know as soon as I upload amazing videos about hair products, makeup products, skincare products, beauty, tech, travel, so many different things I want to talk to you guys about. But in this particular video, I am going to discuss the best of MAC. Now, MAC has been out there for a really long time. They have a ton of products, so I just want to share with you guys which products are the best, why I love them, and why you should get them or consider getting them. So if you want to know more, keep watching. Okay YouTube, so like I said, this is the best of MAC. I just happened to, I didn't buy all this stuff just now because I'm transparency. I bought 2 lipsticks, and then since it had the bag, I filled it up with all my MAC makeup so I could show y'all. So yeah, so I'm gonna break it up a little bit, kind of what I talk about, because there's so much stuff in this bag. I'm gonna start off with foundation. Okay, liquid foundations. So MAC has so many different liquid foundations, but the 2 that are my favorite are MAC Face and Body and MAC Studio Fix Fluid. Now these foundations are on opposite ends of the spectrum. This one, MAC Face and Body, is the super natural finish, a little dewy, a little matte, doesn't give you that much coverage, but it makes your great skin look better foundation. This is my favorite MAC foundation of all time. Next is Studio Fix Fluid. This, I love this foundation because the way when it's finished, how it looks. Like, you look so put together, your makeup looks so great, your skin tone looks so even and perfect and flawless. It's almost like you're a magazine or like airbrush. I love the way that people can just put it on and make themselves look so glamorous and just like something photographed. Like, it's crazy. But unfortunately, this mascara is very, I'm gonna say, stringent. Like, it has a lot of chemicals. It's very drying, and if you have sensitive skin, this is just something that you can't wear every day and continue to have like successfully healthy skin. So as much as I love it, like if I'm going out or if it's like a big event, if I'm not wearing my Lancome, this is the other one I'm wearing. This is more of like a summertime color for me. It's a little darker if you're looking at it. So I also like end of spring, beginning of summer, because I do start to come back to my regular color once the sun comes out, because New York weather, you know, the winter, we don't really be outside like that. But yeah, so this foundation I really love too. But Face and Body, this is my everyday, if I'm gonna wear foundation. I love this product. Okay, so in terms of powder foundations, the Studio Fix powder is great. I love it. I have it. I can't find it. It's in one of my pocketbooks. Because it does have the mirror, I do tend to travel with that one a little more and to use it to blot during the day if my oil's like breaking through. But my second favorite powder, which the only reason I don't take it on the go is because I like to apply it with the brush, and like I don't want to do that in the street, is MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in the shade Dark Tan. So I'm covering up the little mirror so you guys won't get blinded. But this is the best powder for setting your foundation. If you put Face and Body or something and you feel like you want more coverage, this could do it. If your oil's breaking through and you want to take it down a little but still have it look natural, this could do it. So love this powder. Is one of their best products, and it's one of my favorite powders. Like, it's just like Laura Mercier and then this, and that's it. Or it's the other one that they have. Back into the goodie bag. These are highlighters, but they don't really look like powders, but they go on like cream. They go on powder to cream, I guess. This is the extra dimension skin finish. I don't know why that was so hard for me to say, but these, I love these. I have like 4 of them, but I'm just going to show you guys 2. This is Fairly Precious. I'm pretty sure this is from a collection, so I don't know if it's still available. And then this is Glorify. So Glorify is my favorite. Glorify. And basically I really love these. I'm wearing Fairly Precious right now because they're really glittery and they have that perfect highlight when the light hits. It's just like blinding. And these are my favorite highlighters. Now if you're going for a natural look, then these definitely probably won't work, but they're really smooth. They go with every skin tone. Like, no matter how light or how dark you are, you can use this to highlight your face in a really beautiful way. So that's why I love these from MAC. Like I said, I have a gold one, I have like a silverish opalescent one, I have a lot of them. Alright, so we can get into some concealers next. MAC really does skin bright. They have so many different shades. Before the Fenty Beauties of the world, like, we were all going to MAC, and that is where we got the color that actually went with our skin tones, because a lot of other companies weren't doing it. This is super duper old, and I'm probably gonna have to throw it away after this video. Is MAC's Select Cover Up Concealer NC45. They don't even make this anymore. This was my favorite MAC product of all time, and I was really sad that they discontinued it, because this little applicator was the best applicator. Like, you could literally just get the little bit of product that you needed, and that was it. Because with the pumps, you get too much, and now it's like, well, now I have to highlight or do something else because I'm not wasting this concealer. But with the creamy ones, they like crease if you have like a lot of like lines and stuff under your eyes like I do. So this was the perfect one. So now they have the Studio Fluid one with the little doe foot. So that is their best concealer now, if you ask me. So, and I'm going to show that next. Like, I have so much MAC stuff that I love, I forgot to put it all in the bag. NC45, this is Studio Finish Concealer. This stuff is like cement. I've had this same one for years. I don't really reach for it that much because this is such a full coverage look, and I don't wear full coverage makeup every day. But if you have like a pimple or like a birthmark or something that you feel a way about and you just want to cover it like sometimey but not every day, I would suggest to use this stuff. Or even if you do use it every day, just like blend it out so that way it doesn't look like really cakey or too full coverage, and it'll blend more naturally. But this stuff, this is like what the pros use. This is the real this concealer right here. But I love these from MAC. Even though I don't use it, like, I won't go without it, because I know that the one day when I do want to do a full glam look, I'm gonna need to cover up something like her, and I need that to do it. One of my favorite liquid concealers from them also is the Pro Longwear Concealer. It lasts through everything. Like, I can literally wake up in the morning, do my makeup, go to work, after work drinks, after drinks, come back home, and I'm still, my makeup's intact. And there's not many concealers that don't have some kind of oxidizing breakthrough situation. So I really love that this concealer can stand up to all the things. Next thing in the MAC bag. In the MAC bag is eyeshadow. MAC has amazing eyeshadows, and I actually have a real full palette from them, which I'm also going to show you later. But I'm going to start off by showing this one single hit the pan eyeshadow, Embark. And the reason why I wanted to show you guys this Embark eyeshadow is because I featured it in a couple of my videos, specifically on the go travel makeup situations. So one of my favorite makeup looks to do is to take my mineralized skin finish and to put it all over the lid, and then I will take Embark and just take this dark chocolatey brown and put it in the crease, and I get the perfect brown smoky eye every time. And the only thing I need is literally my powder. I gotta powder my foundation anyway, so that's usually in my bag. I just need this eyeshadow, 2 eyeshadow brushes, and the look is done. Whenever I travel, especially overseas, I only bring a carry-on, because I'm always scared that, like, now I'm in Brazil with no clothes because y'all lost my check bag. So I always bring my carry-on, and I need the smallest amount of makeup so that way I could put it in my personal item bag, and that's it. So I literally have one little makeup bag that has to fit foundation, all the things. So usually I might skip the foundation depending on how hot the weather is, because, you know, if I'm sweating, why do I need to cover my face in foundation? But for the eye look, I really need Embark, which is why I have it as an individual. I hit pan on it. When it runs out, I'm going to get a new one, because Embark is the best eyeshadow shade that was ever invented, and everybody needs it, especially if you are brown. This is the best. So I'm going to say that. Next, mascara. This is the False Lash Mascara by MAC. It's funny, I didn't even buy this. I signed when they first had like their program for customers, because that was brand new. I was like, oh, the reason I stopped coming here is because Sephora was giving me discounts. Now y'all gotta program too. I'm a level MAC lover. That's cute. But this mascara I got for free, so I really love it. It's great if you have long lashes but you need more volume. This really is good, and it also adds length, but it's really great for volume. So, and I love the brush. So that is MAC false lashes. So best mascara at MAC. So I haven't tried a lot of them, but this one is one that I haven't returned and I actually like. So this is a good one. Okay, so continuing on the theme of eyeshadows, this is a MAC eyeshadow palette. This is the eyeshadow 15 Warm Neutral. So I'm not gonna go shade by shade showing you guys everything, every shade with its name. Ooh, I use this all the time, so this is so super dirty. But this, ooh, the ring light's blinding you a little bit. There we go. So this is the palette. They also have a cool version. I prefer warm eyeshadows since I kind of have like a neutral undertone. It's like gray in some places, not gray, golden in some places, and then red in other places. So I usually go towards neutral. But these shades are so beautiful, so pigmented. You have everything from your palest white to a almost blackish brown in the corner here. So this is a great palette that I usually take with me whenever I'm traveling, and I always reach for it when I'm doing like my everyday makeup looks. So this is a really great palette, and this is what MAC is kind of known for, is eyeshadows and skin. I think like eyeshadows, skin, and lip. Like if you're gonna get 3 things from MAC, that's really what you should get. But yeah, I love this eyeshadow palette. Concealer I forgot because I use it every day to sculpt my brows, is MAC's 24-Hour Studio Fix concealer. And this concealer, if I'm not mistaken, replaced Select Cover Up in the lineup, so you won't see this at MAC anymore. This is gone. Don't ask for it, because I was doing that a couple times and it was frustrating with me. But this is the new one, and it's like a lip gloss kind of, so it has like a doe foot applicator like most liquid concealers nowadays. So this is really good. 24 hours real. This thing lasts, okay? So it'll cover up all those little dark circles and stuff because we don't get enough sleep. Now, some not honorable mentions, but some products that I love that I just don't have because I don't have it because I can't buy all the MAC all the time. The eyebrow pencil in the shade Spiked works very well for people who have dark eyes, dark hair, and are looking for a dark brow. This brow is really big, and I don't know why I did that. I feel a way about that brow, but it's whatever, it's done. Another MAC product that I wanted to talk about that I don't have, I wrote it down. So Spiked eyebrow pencil and the Studio Fix powder. Yeah, that's a really good powder. Like I said, I can't find it, but it's really good. So last but not least, my favorite thing from MAC, lipsticks. Love MAC lipsticks. So I have probably at least 20, I'm gonna say 25 to 30 MAC lipsticks, but a lot of them are, well, one of them I'm gonna show is from a collection and you can't get it anymore, so I'm sorry. But they are just amazing. I have this little two-tone lip situation, so I need either for it to be just showing my natural lip colors or for it to be opaque enough to cover it up. So I have my 5 favorite MAC lipsticks. I lied. I have 5 of my favorite MAC lipsticks because I realized I love neon orange and I did not show you neon orange. But I also know neon orange is like not wearable and people feel away. So I'm going to just swatch some of these really quick. So this is Rebel by MAC. This is a satin. Another great thing about the MAC ones is that they have the different formulations. So this satin one is like very pigmented with like a little glossy finish to it, but not completely glossy. Touch by MAC is one of my favorites. That's a luster, and the lusters are kind of like solid lip glosses. I really love those, but it doesn't show up when you swatch it. You can just see it on your lips. But Touch lip gloss from MAC, which is a luster, Ruby Woo. So I know you guys already know about Ruby Woo. This thing is so drying, but it looks so pretty on. And yeah, this little swatch is not going to do it justice, but before Fenty came out with the swatch did do it justice. Before Fenty came out with the uncensored red, Ruby Woo was all we had, and it was all we knew. and everybody's lips was drying and peeling trying to wear this one lipstick, but it looked so pretty before it started drying and peeling. This is my favorite red from MAC of all time. This is Candy Cane. It's a matte lipstick, but it's not a retro matte, so it's less drying than Woo Wee Woo. It was from a Christmas collection. That's the only negative thing. And it's more of a blue red. Like it's a little deeper. See? So that's Ruby Woo. This is Candy Cane. Love Candy Cane. This is my favorite red lipstick of all time. And I don't even be wearing it because I'm scared. Two other MAC lipsticks. So these I wear like all the time. So I'm constantly buying them over and over again. So this is Taupe from MAC. And y'all should feel real special because I'm about to swatch a brand new lipstick for y'all on my arm. And I usually never do that because I'd be like, they not paying for this. I need to wear it first before I start swatching it on my arm. This is Taupe. Make sure I do not break this because she's brand new. And I love Taupe. Taupe is like everyday, lives in my purse because I just know it's going to always look good no matter what eye I do, what lip I do. That's Taupe. And this is like one of my perfect nudes. Taupe. And then the other one is Modesty. Now Modesty, I'm actually going to put on for you guys because that's like my favorite MAC lipstick of all time. Like if they discontinued every other MAC lipstick and I could only have one, it would be Modesty. So this is Modesty. And she is a cream sheen lipstick and that's my favorite formulation. Now, Modesty is not really a nude for me. It's more of a bright pink. But I just like that it's like bright, but it's like subtle at the same time. And I mean, if you want, you could use like a lip liner if you want to finesse it a little more. But you could also wear it just like this. So that is Modesty from MAC. And these are my favorite MAC lipsticks. So as you can see, that was my little MAC collection. I think MAC has a lot of super great products. Although they are more expensive than drugstore, MAC is worth the money every time. And you could also, just like Sephora and all the other places, you could return or exchange MAC, so that's another benefit. So I hope that you enjoyed me showing you the products. I hope that you find something that you like and that is helpful for what you need. And I hope you like MAC as much as I do. I mean, it's not my favorite brand anymore because, especially with the fact that Sephora has like discounts and sales and stuff all the time and MAC just isn't about that life. It makes me shop there less, but their products are solid. They are great. And Black Track, like eyeliner, like they just make so many iconic makeup things that you just cannot deny them their space in makeup history. Like MAC is up there. So definitely go in the store. Know that the salespeople are going to be a little pushy. Some of them might be rude, but play with the makeup, enjoy it, get to know it, and I think you're going to love it too. So thank you so much for coming to my channel and watching the best of MAC. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in my next video.